So today I'm going to be unboxing this electromagnetic wireless car charger. So when you open it up, you have the stand for the phone. This is one that you can put in the vent, or you can keep it on your dashboard. You have the USB cord, and then you have the connector so that you can be able to put it in the vent. So once I unscrew this and put that in there and clip this in, so now I can now take and clip it into my vent. So I'm just going to peel this protective layer off it so you can see how it expands really nicely. So I also like that you can rotate this. You can also take this and use the stand. So underneath over here is where you can plug in the charger. So you can see now it's charging even without you using your own charger. You just have this charging like this.